Look at me. Come here. Look at me. Good boy. Good dog. You good bird defender, you. See, this little guy doesn't attack birds. He used to try as a puppy. Then he pretty quickly figured out that the moment he got anywhere within 15 feet of them, they'd just fly away. Cats don't figure that out. I put a bird feeder out in my yard. Let's see here. Right there. And just maybe 15 minutes ago, had a cat out around in there trying to attack birds. So I had to send him out there in attack mode after the cat. So this is just a little PSA. Please keep your cats indoors.